Is AI destroying education, or is it exposing an outdated system? Every new technology sparks this kind of fear. Calculators were banned from classrooms. The internet was called a giant distraction. Even spell check was once considered cheating. Now, the panic is all about AI. The headlines are everywhere, full of alarm about students using it to cheat. But let's step back and ask a better question. Are we so focused on preventing cheating that we're missing the real opportunity here? Right now, the conversation around AI in schools is completely stuck in fear. There's fear of students taking shortcuts, fear of dishonesty, and the big one? Fear of students not thinking for themselves anymore, but focusing only on cheating. It's like looking at a tsunami and worrying about getting your shoes wet. It completely misses the bigger picture. The truth is, AI doesn't replace thinking. It amplifies it. It's a tool, just like a calculator or a search engine, but infinitely more powerful. The real danger isn't students using AI. It's students graduating without knowing how to use it responsibly and effectively. Because let's be honest, AI isn't going away. In the professional world, it's rapidly becoming the new baseline for productivity and innovation. To ignore it in education is to prepare students for a world that no longer exists. Just look around you. The AI-powered future isn't some distant sci-fi concept. It's already here, transforming every single industry. In medicine, AI algorithms are helping doctors detect diseases earlier and with greater accuracy than ever before. In the legal field, AI can review thousands of pages of contracts in seconds, a task that would take a team of lawyers weeks. In business, it analyzes complex market data to predict trends and inform strategy. Even in creative fields like art, design, video, and music, AI is being used as a powerful assistant, helping creators bring their visions to life faster. These professionals aren't cheating. They're simply leveraging the best tools available to compete at a higher level, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. So why on earth would we treat education any differently? The fundamental purpose of school is not to prepare students for the past. It's to equip them for the future. And the next major frontier for this AI revolution is education itself. So what does this shift actually look like in the classroom? The future of learning isn't about mindlessly copying and pasting answers from an AI chatbot. It's about something much more profound. It's about learning how to ask better, more insightful questions. It's about using AI to explore concepts from different angles, leading to a much deeper understanding. It's about learning faster and smarter. Get an instant clarification on complex topics so you can move on to higher level thinking. The key is to see AI as a study partner, a personal tutor, not a crutch to avoid doing the work. The students who learn how to work with AI ethically and strategically will drastically outperform those who are taught to fear it or ignore it. The real competitive advantage isn't having access to AI, it's knowing how to use it wisely. This video isn't a guide on how to cheat the system. It's a call to action to take ownership of your education in a new and powerful way. It's about using these incredible tools to your advantage. Use AI to clarify topics that confuse you in class. Use it to create practice quizzes and test your knowledge. Use it to get instant feedback on your writing so you can improve your arguments. Most importantly, use it to learn how the future actually works today. Because the students who will truly thrive in the coming years won't be the ones who avoid AI. They'll be the ones who master it ethically. The AI advantage is real, and it's available to you right now. Thank you for watching.